So what I'm going to do next is I've got all these little bits just hanging around here, and I am going to literally stick them down to some book pages. I was asked about why I use book pages for my collage, you know, when you could use anything. Well, these books aren't really that old, and I've had the covers for some reason, and you know, I just would not use that in a journal. So I would cover them. Yeah, so it's no different. I've got hundreds of book pages, so that's why I use those. The really good ones, no, I wouldn't cover up, but you know, that look great. But these are just normal book pages, really. Okay, yeah, what I'm going to do is just get rid of this, you know, and then just carry on. When I get the next load of bits, I'm going to put it onto here. I know I most probably use some of this and snippets and that, but never mind. I'm going to keep tidy. So all I'm going to do is, oh, let me just put another one on there. So it'll be more than that. Okay. So first thing I'll do is cover that seam. Okay. This way you can't really think about, oh, what's the matter, darling? What you're doing this way, because you've only got a bit here, so you might have some interesting effects, mightn't we, later on? Oh, what do you want to do? You want to jump up, don't you? Speak to everybody, eh? You do. You would fill the camera, wouldn't you? Massive. Just going to put this other big bit sort of away, you know what I mean? I'm sure my battery will go in a minute, so. But you can see what I'm doing if it does. He is up there now. Monkey. Okay, before I start, that's where I got to. I wasn't sure because I think the video my battery did die. And I just finished off up to here. Okay, I've actually scanned this in because this is all my own thing, all my own work. So I'll be doing something with that, and I'm gonna keep going. All right, when I get more bits, I shall add a page and then just carry on, and then we can chop them up later on. So that'll be something to do a bit later on, but all the scraps are all on there now. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this. Oh, let's move that out of the way. Okay, only need that. Oh, I've got one of those, look. So I've just been doing those and I've left one. Right, okay. So I think I'm going to come down here, then I can push that up the top. Right, because I've got a few bits collected. So I can get that out of the way now. And fill in here. I think might as well use these bits up. I don't know what I cut off that for, but I did. Oh, I know. I made some little books. You know, the little mini books. I can't remember when, but I remember cutting down. Oh, I know. Halloween or Christmas, wasn't it? For my little thing I'd done for Halloween. Oh, that's brilliant. Right, I think we can leave that go. So that's a nice big sheet, isn't it? And that was easy really, because like I say, I've just had bits over and just used that. So it was not like, oh, I've got to find things to go on my collage board. I just used what was there, you know, over 2 days, and had bits and pieces that were left, you know, from what we were making. So that is great. I'm not quite sure the size of this, quite big. 12, 13, 14-ish by just under 12. So 11 by 14, all right? Something like that. Right. Love it. Right, I'm sticky now, though, so let's leave that go. I don't put this on the heater because when you do, the heater don't like that glue at all. Okay, I'm going to rescan that in again today. So I did do the top bit, but now I've done that, I thought, no, I'm going to scan that all in today, and we'll go from there. I'll create some